The infrared, it kind of ties in with the blue color. It's like hinting at the superpowers of the scanner. My name is Dylan Reynolds. My role in the development of TRIOS 6 is as a mechanical designer. We interface with a number of different roles here at 3Shape to sort of come with a collective of what we would like as the outcome of the scanner, and then we take that information and we come up with a mechanical concept. The new features of the TRIOS 6 includes hyperspectral technology. This redefines scan quality, allowing the scans to be used without diagnostic software to help with patient care. We also worked on the ergonomics of the button to give a better ergonomic feedback and feel. And then, of course, we focused on hygiene, one of the most important parts. With the sleeve and the unibody design, it is very easy to maintain the hygienic state of the scanner. It's really about the safety of the patient and the user. The way TRIOS 6 works is actually fantastic because nothing changes. Once you've plugged in a battery, all you have to do is a normal scan workflow and the software does the rest. It has no overhead or complexity, which means that you can go back and capture missed details. I'm very proud of the team and what we've put into this scanner. I think that's really exciting that we're actually taking digital dentistry forward.